Greetings everyone, this is Ken for the Moonlight Shop. Check this out. This is the Dragon Guardian in Triquetra luxury necklace. Wear this for maximum protection against evil entities, negative energies, and bad vibrations. This necklace has quadrupled the protective and shielding power of your Dragon Guardian and the Triquetra. Combined, they form a powerful force that will make you feel stronger, bolder, and more courageous. This necklace is made to order in America. It's made from surgical steel with a hand-poured liquid glass coating. It is UV resistant and waterproof and will last a lifetime. Now, it is small. It measures approximately 23.5 millimeters in diameter. When you order this from the Moonlight Shop, it is covered by their 100% happy guarantee. That means if you're not 100% happy with the item, just return it within 30 days for a full refund of the item cost. So check this out, the Dragon Guardian in Triquetra luxury necklace, available only from the Moonlight Shop. That's one word, themoonlightshop.com. This is Ken for the Moonlight Shop. Hope you enjoyed this review. Take care.